Hey, sixth graders, welcome to your last day of sixth grade math. Wow, it is May 20th, and in today's video, we are going to review results from our assessment over the last 2 days. We're going to get some shout outs and some celebrations, so stay tuned for that. And then I'll give you some reminders about what is coming over the summer. I just want to start by saying I'm so proud of your work and I'm so impressed by your work in Vista Virtual. And it is making me really eager as your future seventh grade math teacher, really excited to get to work with you. So I just also need to give Mr. Zamora a big shout out for sharing your brilliance, his students with me. Thank you, Mr. Zamora. And let's look at how we did on the test. Here's our color wheel from Illuminate. I am so proud of these results. There are 4 students who scored in the advanced band. That's that dark green, scoring an A on the test. Incredible. There are 9 students who scored in that light green band as proficient. And that is incredible. 22.5% of us fell within that band. Really nice job. And then there are 14 students who fell either in the yellow or orange. And those are students who are approaching mastery. Particularly if you're in the yellow, you were just a question or 2 away from being in the green. So overall, almost 75% of us had at least a 60% on this assessment, which was not curved or rounded at all. So I am so proud of your work. I couldn't be more proud, and it makes me really excited, as I mentioned before, to get to teach you in 7th grade. Let's do some shout outs, shall we? There are 4 students who scored advanced and they deserve an extra shout out. Alvia, crushing it. Absolutely beautiful work, excellent achievement. Very proud of you. Nice job. Mirage, awesome job. You have really dove all in on Vista Virtual and it has paid off. Love to see you scoring advanced on this math test. Eric, hey Eric, great job Eric. You also scored advanced. Really proud of your work too, bud. And G-Ray, excellent work. You scored advanced as well. These 4 students led the pack on this assessment. They worked really carefully, and these are students who I'm confident are going to be leaders in 7th grade, so cannot wait. There are also a number of students who scored proficient. This is that light green band. Raina, awesome job. Israel N, crushed it. Good job, dude. Tiara, nice work, Tiara. Love to see that. Camila, great work. Who else? Jaylene, beautiful work on your assessment. Nice job. Israel G, crushed it. High five, nicely done. Ivana, love it. Great work, keep it up. Isabella, crushed it. Love to see you in the light green too. And Roberto, awesome work. I'm so proud of you. Please give yourself a pat on the back. I want to shout out now students who scored really well on certain topics. And I am super excited to dive into these. Thank you to Mr. Zamora for helping me put these together. If you see your name here, it means that on any question about integers, which remember are positive and negative numbers, you got 100% of those questions right. That is really exciting. So things like bank accounts and temperature and elevation, those kind of questions that use positive and negative numbers, you crushed it. And that is incredible for a lot of reasons. But one reason is that you didn't learn about that stuff until we were fully online. So these are questions, this is a skill that we covered only at Vista Virtual. You didn't learn it back when we were in the building together and you were in Mr. Zamora's class. So I am just so proud of all of these students. That's a hefty list of students who got 100% of those questions right. Nice job. There are 3 students who got 100% on distance on the coordinate plane. One of the questions was tricky because the boxes weren't worth 1, they were worth 2. And these students didn't get tricked. Really nice job, Camila, Elizabeth, and Eric. Love to see it. Inequalities was a big thing we worked on again for the first time on Vista Virtual. You never got to be in class with Mr. Zamora working on inequalities. You only had to learn it on your own. And so I'm so proud of Camila, Jaylene, Elizabeth, Dalen, Alexandra, Mirage, Eric, Luis R., and G. Ray getting 100% of the questions on inequalities correct. Nice work. And wow, this is a big list. I couldn't even fit it all in 2 columns. These students got 100% on a 6th grade math standard that includes finding the greatest common factor, least common multiple, and simplifying using order of operations. So go ahead and take a look, see if your name is on that list. If it is, you got all of those questions correct. So proud. Awesome. Here's a list of the best standards from the test. The test had many standards on it. These are ones that we absolutely crushed. So I'm really excited knowing that I'll teach your 7th grade math class. Really excited to know this ahead of time, that solving an equation or inequality is something that you 6th graders are crushing. 85% of you got that question right on a test at the end of the school year. So, and on virtual learning. So I'm so excited. You're gonna need that skill so much in 7th grade. So you're really well prepared. Awesome, awesome job. Here's that greatest common factor standard that so many of you did so well on. Here's that positive and negative number standard that lots of us who got 100% on integers are bringing that average up. 73% of us mastered that standard. So really excellent job. And then ratios are on here as well. I'm excited to see all of these. These are the most important standards, some of the most important standards in 6th grade math. So I cannot wait to build on this growth and this hard work in 7th grade next year. Your Google Classroom will have your individual grade for your assessment. So be sure to just go to the grades tab and check on your grade for yesterday's, the assignment that was due yesterday, just your end of year assessment. A few things for your information that I wanted to make sure to share with you. There'll be no math assignment tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. There's no math assignment that day because teachers are prioritizing getting report cards ready and sent out and getting in contact with all of your families. So no math assignment tomorrow. Just make sure you do your Lexia. Your end of year report card will be emailed to your parent on Friday, this Friday before noon. So Friday morning, make sure you ask your parent to check their email so you can get a look at your report card. You'll see that you have a math grade and a lit grade in Q4 because those are the only classes that we did online. Awesome. And then your summer homework this year is not a packet as it usually is. Your summer homework this year will be online on the computer, on Lexia, which you're really familiar with, and on Freckle. Freckle is new to us, but other grades at VCP have used it. Freckle is an online math program like Lexia, but for math. So for each of these, let's start with Lexia. Your summer homework on Lexia is to do 100 minutes per week. This should be a breeze for you. It's only 20 minutes per day if you work every day, Monday through Friday. If you decide you don't want to work Monday through Friday, you just want to do 2 days a week on Lexia, then those 2 days will need to have 50 minutes each, right? So if you split it all up, it's only 20 minutes every day on Lexia. On Freckle, which is like Lexia, but for math, you're still going to be doing 100 minutes per week and 20 minutes per day, Monday through Friday. So together, if you work every day, Monday through Friday, 20 minutes of Lexia and 20 minutes of Freckle math. Okay. That summer homework starts on June 1st and goes through June 26th. So those are the weeks that when we check to see if you did your summer homework, those are the weeks that we're going to be checking. So June 1st is not for until about a week and a half from now. So the end of this week, Friday's the last day of school, then you have 1 full week where you do not need to be doing this summer homework. You can, but it won't be checked for you. Your summer homework begins on June 1st. So starting the week of June 1st, you want to make sure you have 100 minutes Lexia, 100 minutes Freckle, and do that for 4 weeks all the way through the end of June. Okay? Awesome. I think that's it. Congratulations, you guys. These are your last moments of 6th grade math. Take it in. And I can't wait to see you in 7th grade next year and on Friday at our end of year celebration. Bye, guys.